Hello and welcome to DIY Kimber. I hope you'll enjoy this little video. I borrowed this book on the library Unearthing Hedeby, and to my surprise I found that there's a finding of a folding knife from Hedeby, and I decided to make one myself, and this little video is about this project. I decided to make it out of antler, and I have this piece of antler and a little knife. First I've cut it out so it will fit the knife. It's a Svörd knife from New Zealand. In my video description I have link for this little knife. I had it some years, and now I'm going to use it for this little project. It's carbon steel and have a wood handle. It's a nice little knife and I like it, but you can see it's perfect for this little project. First I take it apart. It's very easy. Just screw this off, and then you can see here how I do it. When I got the screws out, I could take it apart, and there's the blade that I'm going to use. First I have to measure it and find out where it should be, and then I make a marking, and with this little saw I can make the slot where the blade is going to be. It's very easy to saw on this antler. You can see here. And then with a file I make it smooth, and so it can fit the blade perfectly. You can see here. And then I put a nail in so I can see if it's working. Yeah. And I grind it a little bit, shaped it, and then I have some copper wire and some washers that I will use for this. I cut out a piece of the wire that fits. You can see here. Put in the blade, see if it's working. Then I had to put it together with the washers. I also put a couple of those inside the blade. And then I just hammer it down, very gentle. And then it is secured and works perfectly. You can see here. And after some finishing, I grind it again, and it's very sturdy. The blade is actually very firm inside this little handle, and it has a good grip too. Then I decided to burn in some ornaments, a sun wheel, and my name Tom in runes. Hope you enjoy this little project and find it interesting. Thank you for watching DIY Kimber. Hope you liked this little video and will subscribe to my channel.